Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So, first of all, if you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, all right? And then we'll start our section shortly. Okay, again, a quick disclaimer over here. This section, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you're on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional, all right? So, wow, let's start with the overall IBM KLCI. Okay, a big drop yesterday. We have some rebound actually happens. Not to say rebound, but okay, yeah, a bit of rebound. Okay, in the US market, including the today, okay, in KLC market. Okay, now this is the overall weekly chart. Okay, for IBM KLCI, and as we said yesterday, probably it's going to retest 1420, which is they did almost touch. Okay, 1420 yesterday. Okay, I think they touched 1420, and then it rebounded. All right. Well, most probably it's going to hang around this area. Now, if you ask me, okay, I think this is going to be the range that we probably need to look out for. Okay, which is the previous resistance have turned into previous support had turned into the resistance. Okay, so here 1500, okay, to 1420. Okay, so probably this will be the next range that KLSC market will start to sideways from here. Okay, now yesterday dropped badly, yes. Okay, so that's why I think that maybe a couple of days we will see take a rebound, and later on probably it will continue to retest back 1420. So again, be extra careful, okay, for those that who are looking for opportunity. Okay, today rebound is just a purely just a technical rebound for me. Okay, so I don't think it's a real reversal. Okay, so do bear in mind. Okay, now again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, this is purely based on what I see in the market. Of course, we have to wait until the end of the day to see whether it's a real rebound or real reversal or not. But based on this morning, so far, right, the volume seems weak, okay, for most of the chart. So you know that normally weak, it just representing that the seller has gone at this moment, okay. So a bit of buying, you're able to push the prices up. Okay, now let's go into some few counters over here. Okay, like I said, I don't have much. It's not a good market anyway. This is so far what I have in my so-called intraday alerts. Better than yesterday. Yesterday all reds. Today we got a bit of green. Okay, got some green at least. Right. So probably we start with the list first. Then if you got any stocks, comments below. All right. And I'll pick up from there. Then we go from there. Okay. So this is a penny counters. Penny in liquid counters. I pun takut. Okay lah. Macquarie Security. Okay. This is one of the stocks that maybe we're doing reversal. Okay, I think this guy still got chance. Okay, but wait for the market to become a bit like Cellcon also. So breaking above 2040s, looks like so far they are holding about above 2040s. So let's say this period or during these periods, right, they are holding around 31 cents. I think still worthwhile to watch out for. Okay, for Macquarie Securities. So the other one that you can actually look out for is this. This is the strength signal. Okay, maybe 30 cents also is a good idea to watch out for. So let's say if you have access to XChart or XIFU, use the strength signal as your so-called support. Okay, anything cutting below there, you need to be extra careful. You really need to be extra careful. Okay, because representing the weakness is coming into the markets already. I think some of the stocks yesterday morning they already cut below it and then they drop further. Okay, below the support area. All right, now let's go into the next one. I have revenue, but revenue below 10 cents. Wow, volume so high, bro. Okay, interesting. Volume side. Okay, put into a watch list. Okay, volume high. Okay, volume high. But no setup yet. Okay, no setup yet. Okay. This one put macam K group. Okay, K group. If I'm looking into here, okay, yesterday hammer. Alright. Yesterday hammer is a good sign. Okay, again, yesterday hammer is a good sign, because yesterday selling off, but in the end they form a hammer, which means in the end got people supporting it. Okay. Now K group also pretty good. Okay, just now we saw is Macquarie Security. Better right now. Okay, I think K group also worth to watch out. Okay, this is daily chart, right? Hopefully I get the chart correctly. Okay, so here is a nice support area. Okay, so far latest one we don't have strength yet lah. Okay, so like for example here strength, so the chart can go up lah. Okay, so or at least it builds certain support. So but for me this looks like a nice support. Okay, 26 cents. Okay, maybe I think later on we might see some strength coming in from here. Okay, so make sure you watch out. Okay, using C4 extra. Okay, I think Kegel so far is okay. I kind of like the hammer instead. Yeah, probably we'll look out for some hammer. Okay, candles from yesterday because yesterday during bear markets, right, or maybe weak markets, right. When you see hammer, normally it's a good sign. Okay, this one illiquid lah, tak payah lah. Ha. Illiquid normally doesn't make sense on the chart. Okay, this is Papa Jack. Okay, Papa Jack still in the range. Okay, a nice range actually. This is a reaccumulation range. For those that who likes to do a little bit of long term, okay, I think it's quite suitable. Green YB. Okay, illiquid chart. Okay, now let's go into YTL. Okay, YTL yesterday is support. YTL power also is support. Hey, okay. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, what I can say for YTL is like that. Okay, if you ask me, the background over here, it actually show a little bit of distributions. Like I think what I talked about, net gates lah, Gabuda lah, all these few counters. Okay, so background is a bit weak at this moment. Okay, but if you are aiming, Kevin, if you are aiming for some tanker rebound, this is a so-called ideal area. Okay, where you want to look for a short, low risk opportunities. Okay, why I say so because it actually is at the support. Okay, tested 3 times, including this time. Okay, so here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so looks like 175 lah, holding well. So what I can say is that in terms of risk to reward ratio, it do provide to you, but the background is not that great. So you don't buy and hold lah, or maybe sometimes drop support already, you have to act quickly. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call lah, but just that yes, now it's very close to support. Risk to reward is great. Okay, 1.75. You should watch out. Okay, let's say drop, especially with increasing volume, then you have to decide quickly already. Okay, if not, it's going to be quite dangerous. Okay, it's a bit similar. Like let's try Gamuda because yesterday Gamuda also dropped support. I'm not sure whether towards the end it got okay. Tak ada lah. Okay, now today try to push back up. Okay, but again, like I say, I don't think it's a strong one because if you look into the volume, even though yes, now is the first 30 minutes of the day lah, but the volume somehow is not that convincing yet. So yes, sometimes what they do is that yeah, maybe they will here again the gaps, then drop back again. Okay, drop back again. Okay, so you have to watch out. Actually, YTL also got the gaps also. Okay, now YTL power. Okay, this one also exactly at the gaps. Okay, so for those that who are interested in YTL power, yes, they are actually at the support right now. Okay, which is the risk to reward ratio is great. Okay, but for me, still not suitable to hold it. Okay, for if you plan to hold until few months or maybe you want to aim until 4.5 or even the previous high at 5 ringgit. Okay, I think still the somehow the sell is not convincing yet. Okay, unless you know they start to build sideway with increasing volume up. So yes, probably they will do around reaccumulations. Okay. All right. Any other questions before we end our section? Actually, to be frank, today also nothing much. Yes, it's a tanker rebound day. Unless you are looking for short opportunity, we can look into the hourly chart. Okay, but for me, it's still not worthwhile. Okay, to personal opinion, still not worthwhile to harm down the market right now. It's still not that yet. Okay, it's still not that yet. Okay, so hourly chart also didn't show any. All this didn't show any good setups. Okay, but again, pretty normal when market drop badly, you get tanker rebound few days, but doesn't mean sometimes it goes up a lot. Okay, this one also okay. All gap up, but now drop back already. Okay, this morning all gap up lah, and then now started to show red candles. Okay, so Inari, same things. Okay, I think MYEG yesterday also dropped quite badly also. Okay lah. It's a weak candle, to be frank. It's a weak candle. It's not a super strong candle. Okay. All right. I'm not sure what to cover. Okay. All right. If you got any other counters, you just let me know in the comments. If not, we will end our section this morning over here. A quick one. Daily morning updates. Okay. Like I said, technical rebound is coming, but don't expect too bullish. Okay. Maybe just last for a few days, or unless the chart show otherwise. Okay. So probably our updates again more into our daily telegram. Okay, IT Max, let's try. Okay, but so far I do see market security, but K group I prefer K group more. Okay, because K group looks like holding right at this moment. Okay, now IT Max. Okay, IT Max. Yesterday also trying to go back to this so-called crucial support, but somehow the trade below a bit. Okay, again, best 3.4. This is what 3.3.4. 3.38 or 3.4 best 3.4 and above. That is the support area, right? But if you are already looking for exit, I think you have to somehow decide. Okay, somehow decide, because yesterday is a high volume candle, so-called consider high volume. Okay, and then if let's say today close even lower than the opening yesterday, then I think then the close yesterday, then this is again a weak sign. Okay, a weak sign. So normally, like I say, whenever your stocks having false breakout, okay, most probably they'll do a shakeout. But of course, right now it's a weak market. So maybe it's a good time for them to do a big wash. Okay, a big wash for IT Max. Again, 3.8 below, Ruku, you have to be careful. Okay, if let's say you are looking for entry, I think best you watch out for a few more days. Okay, because it looks like the market is not really calm yet. Okay, technical rebound, yes, but calm, I don't think so. Probably we still have another round of sell off later on. Okay, so yeah, this is today a quick one. All right, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. All right, hopefully towards the afternoon we got more interesting charts to look into. Of course, if I spot anything that I think yesterday, let's say candles that stock that actually form hammer, okay, is a good counters to watch out. Like for example, it's K group, okay, K group is pretty interesting, okay, but not any hammer but the hammer stay above support. Okay, it's even nicer. Some counter is drop hammer. Okay, this one, yeah technical rebound, but it won't look long. It won't last long one. Okay, probably just for a while, few days, then it drop back already. But I kind of like this kind of hammer where they stay above support. Okay, which means it represent that the operator are probably still keen and interested, but just that of course not now. Okay, now everything also selling. No point for them to push the price further. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow.